Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. A protest and condemnation rally was organized in Silchar by Baraker Awaz in response to the recent terrorist attack on tourists in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. The gathering paid tribute to those who lost their lives in the attack. Thousands of men and women participated in the rally. On Thursday, under the initiative of Baraker Awaz, the protest took place in front of Silchar Municipal Board's Goldigi Point. The rally was held under tight security arrangements to prevent any untoward incident during the protest. Speaking to the media, the protesters strongly condemned the brutal and targeted killing of Hindu tourists by terrorists in Pahalgam. They demanded strict punishment for those involved and urged both the Chief Minister of Assam and the Prime Minister of India to take immediate and decisive action. Protesters called for the identification and elimination of terrorists by any means necessary, including entering their homes and shooting them. They also emphasized that the government must take strong measures to ensure such incidents do not happen again in the future. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube and support us by following the Facebook page.
জঘন্যতম ঘটনা ঘটেছে গত পরশুদিন। হ্যাঁ, এটা নতুন কিছু নয়, নতুন ঘটনা নয়। তবে আমরা আশা করেছিলাম যে কাশ্মীর হয়তো শান্ত হয়ে গিয়েছে, কিন্তু ওরা রক্তবীজের দল। রক্তবীজদেরকে কিভাবে বিনাশ করতে হয় মা ভগবতী, মা কালী সেটা দেখিয়ে দিয়েছিলেন।